take the monster truck in this thing?
It'll be tight. This is downtown Williamsport, Indiana. I think this is a county seat of this county. I'm not sure which county we're actually in. The Fountain County, I believe, maybe. And there's the courthouse. Oh, Warren County. Interesting place. We are in Williamsport, Indiana, which is in the far western central area of Indiana. And Alexa needed some extra driving hours, so we decided to take a little drive over here and see the tallest waterfall in Indiana. It's over 90 feet tall, and normally if you come late in the summer it'll just be a trickle, but it's springtime, we've had a lot of rain, and I thought it'd be a great time to come see it with a lot of water rushing down. And we've never seen this particular waterfall before, so you guys ready to go see and check it out? What'd you find, Nolan? You find the waterfall?
Yes, halfway found it.
Wow. What do you think of that waterfall?
Beautiful. Look at that root right there. Just like going, like look how far down that root goes.
It's too wet. What are you doing? You're building a bridge? It actually doesn't just fall down the rock face, it goes over an alcove, and so it's actually falling straight down through the air. It's pretty incredible. Comes out of that little notch right up there. It might not be worth it to come here just for this, but if you're in the area, it's definitely worth checking out. It's not terribly far from Turkey Run. If you're ever at Turkey Run, it's probably maybe 20 miles away from Turkey Run. So definitely stop by if you're in the area. So what did you guys think of this waterfall?
Well, it was really tall, and also there's a lot of rocks that were really fun to climb. And also, I made a bridge across the river.
You made a bridge across the river?
Yep.
What did you need a bridge for?
To hit the other side of the river to climb rocks.
You wanted to climb some rocks?
Yes.
What did you think of the waterfall?
It was cool. I got my shoes wet, unfortunately, so it's not pleasant.
Was it what you expected for the tallest waterfall in Indiana?
Just about.
Just about? Taller or shorter, or about the same?
About the same.
About the same.
Oh, this guy.
The old Williamsport bridge that goes across the Wabash River. We were just driving along this little country road and we happened to see a cool little waterfall, so we stopped and parked our car, and we're gonna go check it out and see what we find. Pretty cool find to be just along the road here.